TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow down 33, Nasdaq's off 26, S&Ps are down 9, gold contracts down $9.60 at 1,096. You have silver down 23 cents, $13.92. Silver's back under that $14 area. Copper's up a penny at $1.97 a pound. Light sweet crude flat at $28.16. Bonds, the 10-year up 6 ticks, 129.01. 30 is up 9 ticks, 160.23. In both cases, folks, what you have is bonds are testing their highs this morning on lighter volume. King dollar's up 361 ticks, 99.53. King dollar also cannot handle higher price. The euro is at 108. Bottom line, folks, you want to trade? Buy this market. This is what you have. S&Ps, Nasdaq, Dow Industrials all rejected lower price yesterday. Lighter volume. Bottom line, lighter volume by an extraordinary way, too. August 24th, folks, was a monster down day. Yesterday was a monster down day. We're going to be back here? Absolutely. When? It's going to be a little bit. Why? Because I expect this bounce is going to be on. It's going to be on pretty good. This is what you have. We hit 181.02 yesterday. We did 286 million shares. That was going against the 182.40 with 507 million shares. Bounce. This bounce can get you all the way up to 199, which is pretty wild, folks. That is one monster bounce. NASDAQ NDX 100. Same setup on the NDX 100. What you have, you got down lower volume, rejected price, all of the above. You're going to see the NDX 100 also move higher. And the way this market has operated this morning, you had the futures up after the close last night. They got smoked last night. They popped again. Now what you have, if we go over to the S&P futures, what you're going to see is that intraday, you have a high volume spike. That high volume spike, I suspect, is going to get tested. More than likely, we're going to go over it. And that's, right now, that's 26 points away from where we are in the S&P. That high volume spike is at 1876. So there's some real trading action out here in a large way. We go take a look at the gold contract. What do we have with gold? Draghi comes out this morning, says we're going to give free money away again. Bottom line, couldn't smoke gold. Gold did go from 1104 to 1093, rejected 1093. We have 94,000 contracts. Bottom line, gold is building cause to get into this 1113 area. Bonds. Now, the bonds you want to keep your eye on because the bonds, they took off topside, had volume, all of the above yesterday, big time too. The 10-year out here, what the 10-year did is that the 10-year got to a price point yesterday of 129.08. We did 1.9 million contracts. That's a big number even for the 10-year. 10-year likes to do about 1.4 billion. We're testing that today, and we're going to get that test. That test is going to come in at about 1.4 billion. I expect the bonds are going to fail, and it looks to me like bonds are topping out. You know, with the market down 550 points, you know, just yesterday, and bonds couldn't just go to the moon, is saying quite a bit. Small caps. So what the small caps did, and the small caps are the weakest indice. Small caps also came back, rejected price, went higher, and if we go over to that oil market, what I expect you're going to see out here, folks, is this, is that oil, and we're in a new contract also. What we have with oil right now is oil looks that it's going to basically take off out of here. It's going to be interesting to see how this shakes out, but the way that the oil market is trading, it's got two intraday pops this morning. And so right now, with this contract, we're at 28.09. I expect you're going to see 28.44. We very well might see 28.73 before today is over. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051, or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.